Welcome to the user guide for managing Mollie Pay, the popular European payment service that offers versatile payment methods. This guide will walk you through seamlessly integrating Mollie Pay with your website and configuring settings to align with your business needs. Let's get started. After installing the Mollie Pay module, go to the Modules, Payment, and Online tabs in your admin area. Locate the Mollie Hosted Checkout module and click Edit to access its settings. In the Settings section, configure Mollie Pay options. Toggle to enable the module. Enter the account API key and profile ID. Choose Live or Test mode for transactions. Select payment zone and order statuses. Enable order saving before payment. Choose Allowed payment methods. Control payment option display order. Enter a value in the corresponding field to set the payment priority. Lower values will prioritize Mollie Pay over other payment methods. In the Restrictions section, tailor Mollie Pay to your needs. Restrict to specific customer groups, countries, and website pages. Specify module names for backend and frontend. Click Update to save customization. With the ability to customize the module settings and restrictions, your customers can enjoy a seamless and personalized payment experience. Thank you for watching, and happy managing with Mollie Pay.